So I have my Vroom Solo vacuum installed in a cabinet in my kitchen and family room area. Right there, so you can see what size it is and how much room it takes up. And this particular vacuum has a 24-foot hose. So I can actually reach every corner of my kitchen and family room by stretching out the hose. It's pretty neat. It's installed right in the center of a really high traffic area, so it's been very useful. And to use this vacuum is really easy. All you do, and you're going to hear it turn on in just a second, all you do is you lift this handle at a 90-degree angle, and that's what makes it turn on. And that's all it takes. And as you can see, it has a pretty strong suction. I did notice that when it has the extension, which looks a little like this, it kind of lessens the suction a little bit just because the air has to travel that much more. But I really like the vacuum, and it works really, really well. So I just wanted to show you exactly how far I can go with this vacuum. So here's the cabinet where it's located, and I have the extension on the vacuum. I can take it all the way to the end of the kitchen and basically reach every little corner of my kitchen. And then I can just go back. I've used it for cleaning up flour from my counter. Spilled flour, spilled sugar. It's been really helpful with that. I have also used it with cleaning up dirt that people drag in when they come inside from the backyard. And for crumbs at the table. You know how babies are.